Hi, I'm Tim Velk of Synthetic Oil Zone, your authorized AMSOIL dealer. Before we look into the data bulletin for AMSOIL Interceptor Synthetic 2-Stroke Oil, I would like to point out that I made this video in December of 2023 and that the data bulletin was last updated in May of 2022. In the video description, you will find a link to this data bulletin in case you want to read it for yourself, send it to a friend, or check for an update. You will find the publication date in the lower right corner of the last page. There is also a link to its safety data sheet and the AMSOIL limited liability warranty, plus video links for AMSOIL Interceptor Torture Ride and AMSOIL limited snowmobile engine warranty. If you use AMSOIL Interceptor Synthetic 2-Stroke Oil exclusively in your new, current model year, or new sled, AMSOIL will cover engine repairs to qualified parts in the unlikely event of a problem for up to 2 years, 5,000 miles, which is 8,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. Now, let's look into the data bulletin. AMSOIL Interceptor Synthetic 2-Stroke Oil. Excellent for all 2-stroke snowmobiles. Prevents piston ring and exhaust port valve sticking. Exceptional cold temperature fluidity, minus 63 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 53 degrees Celsius, pour point. Outstanding performance in DFI engines. Protects against wear. Low smoke and odor. Helps prevent plug fouling. 2-stroke snowmobiles are meant to be ridden hard, repeatedly pushing a machine to wide open throttle during all-day aggressive riding. However, takes its toll on the engine. Interceptor Synthetic 2-Stroke Oil is specially designed for maximum performance in all makes of 2-stroke snowmobiles, including Skidoo, Polaris, and Arctic Cat, helping enthusiasts spend more time riding and less performing maintenance. It is compatible with nearly all other 2-stroke oils, while its low smoke, low odor properties help ensure riders won't be smoked out. Interceptor is engineered to be pushed as hard as the sleds it protects. Snowmobile engines have evolved to run on leaner gas-to-oil mixtures, increasing harmful friction and heat. Interceptor's synthetic formulation incorporates high molecular weight components with high flash points that resist burnoff. As a result, a greater amount of oil survives the combustion process to provide lubrication and protection. Its excellent lubricity and film strength inhibit metal-to-metal contact. After a full season of abuse in a rental sled used in the Canadian Rockies, Interceptor's anti-scuff, anti-wear formula kept pistons virtually carbon-free with nearly all coating intact. AMSOIL fights wear. AMSOIL Interceptor Synthetic 2-Stroke Oil delivers outstanding wear protection and cleanliness in a rental sled through 1,617 miles, 2,602 kilometers, of mountain abuse. Interceptor naturally resists harmful deposits due to its thermally stable synthetic formulation. It is additionally fortified with high-temperature detergency and dispersancy additives that provide excellent engine cleanliness. In field testing, Interceptor completely prevented exhaust power valve sticking for maximum performance. Typical technical properties: AMSOIL Interceptor Synthetic 2-Stroke Oil. Kinematic viscosity at 100 degrees Celsius, 6.5. Kinematic viscosity at 40 degrees Celsius, 30.7. Viscosity index, 172. Pour point, minus 50 degrees centigrade, minus 63 degrees Fahrenheit. Flash point, 102 degrees centigrade, 216 degrees Fahrenheit. Fire point, 102 degrees centigrade, 216 degrees Fahrenheit. SAE J1536 fluidity, pass. Engine lubricity test, mix ratio 150:1, pass. After a season of full throttle abuse in the Canadian mountains, Interceptor kept power valves in a rental Polaris RMK850 sled clean and working flawlessly. In addition, it protected the pistons despite extreme conditions, keeping nearly all coating intact. Used in all two-stroke snowmobiles, motorcycles, ATVs, personal watercrafts, and where API-TC and JASO FD oils are specified, including direct fuel injected, electronic fuel injected, and carbureted engines made by Polaris, BRP Skidoo, Rotex E-Tech engines, Octocat C-Tech 2 engines, Honda, Yamaha, Kawasaki, and Suzuki. Use as injector oil or 50-to-1 premix, 2.6 ounces per US gallon of gas. Interceptor is compatible with most conventional and synthetic two-stroke oils. However, for best performance, mixing oils should be minimized. Use AMSOIL Interceptor Synthetic two-stroke oil exclusively in your current model year or newer sled, and will cover engine repairs in the unlikely event of any engine breakdown for up to 2 years, 5,000 miles, 8,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. See amsoil.com/ROF warranty for details. This product is not expected to cause health concerns when used for its intended applications and according to the recommendations in the safety data sheet. A safety data sheet is available via the internet at amsoil.com or upon request at 715-392-7101. Keep out of reach of children. Recycle used oil and bottle. That is the end of the data bulletin. Remember to look into the video description for links and more information, and also please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.